Finding the right price point for your product is crucial if you're selling online, and JungleScout is the perfect tool to help you nail that strategy. In this quick JungleScout guide, we'll show you exactly how to use the software to find the optimal price point for your product, ensuring you're not only competitive, but also maximizing your profits. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage JungleScout's powerful features to make informed pricing decisions that will give you an edge in the market. Now, here's the good news. You can try JungleScout completely free with the link in the description below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses lined up just for you. Stick around to the end, and we'll even mention how you can extend that free trial so you can really dive deep into the tool. JungleScout is known for its comprehensive set of features that help sellers on Amazon find winning products, but one of its most powerful tools is the price tracker. The price tracker allows you to monitor the prices of your competitors, track their price fluctuations over time, and see where your product fits in the market. This gives you an instant overview of how to price your own products effectively. But how do you find that sweet spot in pricing? Start by using the product database feature in JungleScout. This tool lets you filter products based on key criteria like price, sales volume, and customer ratings. You can easily see what price range is working for products similar to yours. If you're seeing a consistent range of prices with similar products, that's a good starting point for your own pricing strategy. Next, use the Keyword Scout tool. This is especially helpful if you're in a competitive niche. Keyword Scout helps you find relevant keywords with a high search volume, allowing you to understand what customers are looking for. By analyzing the competition for these keywords, you can see what price point other sellers are using to rank well. This insight can help you set a price that is both competitive and appealing to potential buyers. Another fantastic feature to leverage is the Sales Analytics tool. By diving into your sales data, you can track which price points are converting the best. Are your sales spiking when you drop the price slightly, or are they more consistent when you price higher? This tool will give you real-time data to adjust your pricing strategy accordingly. It's also essential to factor in the cost of goods sold, COGS, when pricing. JungleScout's profit calculator can help you here. It allows you to enter all your costs and the selling price to calculate your profits after Amazon's fees. With this tool, you can make sure that your price point isn't just competitive, but also profitable. Now, don't forget about the competition. JungleScout's competitor tracker lets you keep an eye on your competition's pricing. By tracking changes in their prices, you can react quickly to market shifts and adjust your own prices to stay competitive. If one of your competitors drops their price, it's up to you to decide whether you want to match that price or differentiate your product with added value. So, what's the takeaway here? To find the right price point using JungleScout, you need to analyze the market, track competitor prices, understand customer demand, and make sure your price covers all costs while maximizing profits. These tools make it easy to gather the right data so that you can make confident, data-driven pricing decisions. Remember, JungleScout isn't just for established sellers. It's perfect for newcomers too. If you're just getting started, this software will give you the insights you need to price your product right from the get-go, helping you avoid costly mistakes. And don't forget, if you want to get started with JungleScout for free, use the link in the description below. Not only will you get the software for free, but we've also got some exclusive bonuses for you. Be sure to check out how you can extend your free trial so you can make the most of JungleScout's tools and get your pricing strategy on point. Thanks for watching, and good luck pricing your products with JungleScout.